Hello everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. Today we will be making a dip that was popular in the 1950s called Confetti Dip. Here are the ingredients. 3 large eggs beaten, 3 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 1 teaspoon butter softened, 6 ounces cream cheese softened, a few drops of Tabasco sauce, 1 small onion chopped, 1 small green pepper chopped, 1 small red pepper chopped, salt and pepper to taste.
Grandpa here. First thing we're going to do is mix our eggs or sugar and our vinegar in a double boiler over simmering water. Put in our eggs, put in our sugar, put in our vinegar, and we have to constantly stir it until it thickens. So this will take a few minutes. Looks like it's starting to thicken up now. Yes, it's thickening up. Took 3 minutes to do it. So now I have to remove from heat and transfer to a bowl. Now we're going to add our butter and cream cheese to it. Butter, cream cheese, and beat until smooth. Now we're going to add our Tabasco sauce, the onion, pepper. Okay. Get a little bitty Tabasco sauce in there. Add our onions. Mix it up a little bit. Then we add our green pepper. Mix that up a little bit. Then add our red pepper. Boy, it's nice and colorful. Red, green, yellow. Now, you can add salt and pepper to it for taste, but we don't use salt, and we're not going to put any pepper in it. But if you like to put salt and pepper in, you're welcome to it. Okay, it's all mixed up nice. Now we have to chill it for about an hour. Instead of taking the bowl and putting it in the refrigerator covered to chill, I'm taking Grandma's Tupperware dip dish that just put it in there. It comes with a cover, so I can cover it, and when it's ready, just take it out, remove the cover, and we're ready to eat. I don't have to take it out of a bowl. The dip is all done. It's been chilled for an hour, and now I put it on display with some crackers and potato chips.
How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Tastes good, very rich with the flavors. The peppers, green and red. Then you have that onion flavor in there. Cream cheese, very good. Now try a cracker. Tastes good with the crackers, tastes good with the potato chips. And this dip has to be eaten the day it's served. You cannot put it back in the refrigerator. So enjoy.
I'm glad you like it, Pa.
Looks like a nice party dip. It's very festive, has the different colors.